Two congruent rectangles of length 3 plus root 2 and width 5 minus 2 root 2 are cut in half along the diagonal and rearranged to form a square as shown. Find the area of the central square. Find the total area of the triangles. So to find the area of the square, we will first need to find what the side lengths are. So the side lengths are, if you were to draw out the triangles completely, this is what it would look like. And you can see very well that the longer side, that is 3 plus root 2, is what makes the side of the square. So this would be 3 plus root 2 and this would be 3 plus root 2 and then 3 plus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. So that's the longer side. So where is the shorter side? That's 5 minus 2 root 2. The shorter side would be here. This is the shorter side. This is the side because in this triangle, if you notice, so it's only cut along the diagonal. So this side, this bit, if you were to name it AB, and this is where the AB is, or this is where the AB is. So what we get is the side lengths of the smaller squares, the smaller square, the side lengths of the smaller square would be, so this much is 5 minus twice of root 2 and the whole thing would be 3 plus root 2 and the side length would be equal to this part. These are all 90 degrees. These are all 90 degrees. Right? So the square side length we can write as a central square side length would equal 3 plus root 2 minus 5 minus twice of root 2 and that would equal 3 minus 5 plus root 2, we remove the bracket first, plus twice of root 2 and that equals 3 minus 5 is minus 2 and plus 3 root 2. That is the side length. So area would be minus 2 plus 3 root 2, the square of that. That would give you 4 minus 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12 root 2 and plus 3 times 3, 9 times 2 is 18 and that equals 22 minus 12 square root of 2 and that's the area. So we can put in a unit square. It's haven't given us any units. The area of the central square would be 22 minus 12 root 2. Okay, now we need to find the total area of the triangles. The total area of the triangles is simply half times base times height multiplied by 4 because all the area of the triangles would be the same. So all we need to do is the B part. You see this is the triangle. So then the base would be 3 plus root 2. The height is 5 minus 2 root 2 and then half times that times this is 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. So the total area of the triangles would be 4 times half times base times height. So it will be 3 plus root 2 multiplied by 5 minus twice of root 2 and that would be 2. So twice of 3 times 5 is 15 minus 2 times 3 is 6 root 2 plus 5 root 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4, and that would give me twice of 15 minus 4 is 11, and then minus root 2, and that equals 22 minus twice of root 2, and again unit square. So the total area of the triangles would be 22 minus 2 root 2. And that is the answer to these questions.